Like a Mac employee when I'm done with you.
Hello my beautiful friends, welcome to my channel. This is Sabina here and this is my wonderful husband Brandon. Today's video, what we are doing, today's video, he's going to do my makeup, and as you see that I do not have any makeup, but I did my hair today. Oh my goodness, it feels so good to do my hair. And today he gonna do my makeup, and I saw a lot of this kind of videos on YouTube and I thought it was so much fun, and I asked my husband that would you like to come and do my makeup, and he was very confident and he said yes. And even I asked him last night, since tomorrow we are going to film the video, do you have any idea or inspirations, or you want to learn something about makeup, go look online or Pinterest or YouTube? And he said no, I know. So he seems very confident, so let's see.
I don't need to look at nothing. I like to, when I open stuff up, I don't even read the instructions.
So this is a blank canvas right now, so you have to paint. You ready to paint?
Yeah.
So he picked all these things, and I'm not even lying, he picked all the items from a vanity. Like he said that he's gonna do my makeup, and let's see how he's gonna do it. So before we start this makeup, I want you to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. By the way guys, if you are a YouTuber and you subscribe to my channel, make sure that you drop your link down below so I can subscribe back to you and we can support each other. And if you guys subscribe to me, and if I don't subscribe back right at you, then don't unsubscribe me, because sometimes I don't have time to go to look into my YouTube videos because I'm still working from home. So make sure that if you subscribe, and if you are YouTubers, then make sure you drop your link down below so I can subscribe back to you. Ready? Okay.
So we gotta put this first. I don't know. I mean, I do know. I do know. Oh yeah. This is it. Yep. Gotta put the primer down first.
Make me laugh.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to tie my hair?
Nah, I know what I'm doing. I'm professional. Yeah, I like to save stuff and just take it right out the lid. There's probably some stuff in there we could use. Let's see. Yeah. No. I'm gonna use this whole bottle. Maybe. Oh yeah. This is the look I'm going for.
You already know.
Definitely. Yeah. Yeah. This is what you look like. Mm-hmm. Yep. I don't even know why this takes you so long.
Baba, you are taking so long time
this is
just to put foundation.
It's just so fast. Like, we're already ready to go. Okay. Probably have to let that dry for a little bit. We'll speed that up. Yeah, we definitely need this next. I don't know what this is. Maybe you could look at yourself.
No, I'm not.
Maybe.
Yeah. You're driving so hard.
There you go. Just a little extra, maybe. We'll put some happy trees. Some happy trees. Then we gotta change the color up.
What's that?
I don't know what this is. It's pink. But I'm gonna go underneath the eyes. Because it's gonna be like a shadow effect. Like when people look at you.
Don't make me funny look.
They'll be. It's gonna be like the sun's gonna hit you. It's just gonna glisten. This one. Oh, you can see through there. You can still see me. Yeah. Okay. Only under the eyes.
Oh, you put that under the eyes. Okay.
Yes.
You put the blush under the eyes.
Yep. I guess we better put the lid back on this. I don't know. Might evaporate. I don't know what's it. This, okay, because we gotta put some color down. Because it says dark and brown powder duo. There's two of them. Let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah, these are going to go above the eyes.
But do it slowly. So,
That's probably all we need. Girl, when I'm done, you're gonna want to take pictures, okay? This is gonna be...
Oh, it's art. Slowly, it's a book. My eyes, slowly.
I didn't know I make people cry. This is, I'm telling you right now, this is going, I'm on to something now. Definitely. Okay. Now, there's so many options here. See? Definitely going to keep going for the eyes because I kind of have a goal. Something on here. Definitely going out after this. Definitely. I gotta blend this. You're gonna look like a Mac employee when I'm done with you.
So guys, this is a man behind all my fashion. He loves handbags and fashion, but let's see how good he is to do makeup. Like, what are you putting on my cheek?
I'm trying to do the shadow effect. Yeah. Trust me, it's gonna, girl, when I'm done with you, all your friends are gonna be asking for this. All of them. They're gonna be like, where did you go with everything closed? And
next store.
They're gonna be like, I didn't know anything was open. You look so perfect. So, yeah. What else to use? Let's go with the eyeliner. The eyeliner. Whatever. Yeah. All
Close my eyes or what?
Yeah, close your eyes, girl. I've done this several times before.
I think you're trying to make me look like funny.
No, this is, you just, like, it feels different because you normally do it.
Baby, no, you can't make me look like fun. Yeah, you're supposed to put a makeup like nice makeup.
Girl, I told you when I'm done with you, everybody's gonna want this. All right, open your eyes. Let me see. Boom. Perfect. Perfect. And what's funny is when you close your eyes, you still look like your eyes are still open. That's a recipe that I know how to do. Shall we move on?
Yes.
This brush looks expensive. Looks really expensive. Let's see. I think we gotta go back to this because we need more stuff on this. Yeah, it's so soft. I feel like we're missing something though. I don't know. I don't know how those Mac people do it, but we gotta have more colors that you never use.
What you doing? Why are you putting everything eyeshadows under my eye?
So these are called eyeshadows?
Yes.
I thought they were like makeup for skin.
No, people doesn't walk like this. I already feel like that I look funny.
I'm gonna blend this. It's gonna be blend perfect.
You need to put me a makeup that's natural makeup, okay, so I can go out.
Girl, when I'm done with you.
It's not Halloween, okay?
Let's see. Trust me, I'm gonna blend this. It's gonna be perfect. No worries. Every time I have a first customer, they always get worried. But when I'm done, I mean, they never call back, but they do comment a lot. Yep. See, perfect already.
What I look?
I don't know what's going on here. Looks pretty good. Look normal to me.
This is how I can go outside?
Yeah, I mean, we're almost there. Let's do the lipstick. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. I mean, I do. Perfect. Let me see. I missed it. We need more colors though.
What color you need?
But like some green or something. Yes. Oh yeah, I can't believe I missed this color.
Again on my cheek?
Well, it's gonna blend in. Yeah.
So what kind of looks you are trying to create?
The quarantine home look.
I feel like that you're trying to make me like a funny.
No.
Baba, why you putting those under my nose?
Looks
Why
perfect.
put that under my nose?
Let me see.
Ready? You done?
I don't know what else I can do. Well, hold on. I just came up with something.
Okay, he is using all kind of eyeshadow all over my face. I don't think so. I'm looking good. I
We
think
got
I'm
it.
looking funny.
No, I want to do here. I want it kind of. I don't know. I've seen this where they
Contour?
kind of contour it down. Yeah. Where they do the
He's using
like a shadow effect.
Okay, he's using white eyeshadow for like contour. Seriously.
See, it looks better already. Perfect.
I don't know. I haven't.
All right. I think that's it. I've already used everything on here except for this. I don't know what this is. I don't think we need this. It's all the same color. Yeah, I think we're done.
We done? Okay. I'm gonna bring my mirror and see. Let's see. What is this?
Close one eye.
No. What?
Close one eye though, and it still looks like your
Okay.
eyes. If you close your eyes, there's eyes on your eyelids.
Okay, guys, look at this. No, you need to be a little serious. This is not how we go out. No, Baba, you need to be a little serious. You cannot.
Close one eye. Boom.
What are you trying to do?
I don't even know when your eyes are closed.
So, what is this on top of this, like?
I don't know.
Okay, first of all, he put my eyebrow powder on my eye. This is for my eyebrow.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then this is my foundation brush, but you dip into my blush and then you start putting all these things.
You better wash that after this.
And then all
You might want to
use
throw
is
that
wrong.
away.
You sound so confident, but no, look at me. I look like a scary Halloween person. You don't know anything about makeup.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you look closer, it doesn't look that bad.
So
But
why
if you're
you
like
put
10 feet away,
Why you put the lipstick
it
all
looks
over
normal if you're about 10
here?
feet away.
Look at the lipstick right down here.
Yeah, if you get close, it looks bad, but if you look far away, it looks pretty good.
He's crazy. Look at my makeup.
See, it looks normal from that view, but if you get closer, it gets worse.
So why you put the eyeliner like that? Do you think the people really walk with, like eyeliner like that?
Yeah, I see them all the time. They're in the MAC store. All the time, they look normal.
He think like MAC studio people do the makeup like this. Look at this. And he's using all like a makeup in a different, like a wrong makeup on the wrong place. Look at my lipstick.
Maybe I'm pioneering makeups. Creating a trend.
You should do it a little bit better way. You should use it more better.
I think we need more colors. Like, we don't have many options. I mean, there's a lot of colors in here, but they're all like the same color.
Well, I'm not very impressed with my husband. I thought that when he was so confident, I thought that he gonna really do my makeup, but he doesn't have no idea about makeup. And he was using all the eyeshadows. I was keep looking at him and all under my eyes only. I don't understand why. And then look at that. He make the contour on my nose. And he still think that. Do you still think that? Yes, you did. You used all.
I mean, even some that you never use, now they don't feel alone. Yeah.
This is crazy. I look absolutely horrible. Look at my face.
My job's done here.
I think you need to learn to do a little bit more makeup. If I get sick or something, at least you can make me presentable. This is a scary look. This is a scary look.
We could have went
me.
for the normal look. We could have just done this. Lipstick.
What is this? And even you
foundation. That's like primer.
First, you have to wet this sponge, and then you put a little bit foundation in your hand. Instead of that, you are like just like you're directly going like this, and you didn't even wet my sponge.
I thought it was a dry sponge.
So that's what. And then you keep using my eyeshadow brush.
That brush is perfect for everything. You just need one brush. Yep.
He still sounds very confident.
Yeah.
Guys, this is how I look. I can't believe that you make me look like this. So, anyways, guys, what do you need to say now?
If you want makeup tutorials from me, well, I have the time. Anyways, hit that subscribe button. Let's get some thumbs up. If you like my makeup tutorial, I mean, I could do this. I don't know why y'all even take forever to do makeup. I mean, it literally took me like 30 seconds, you know? Matches the t-shirt perfect. Everything I did was for a reason. My makeup career is over.
His makeup career is already over, he said.
I feel like I should like sign my name on my artwork. Boom, perfect.
Did you sign? You are so crazy. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, then make sure you do thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Please excuse my crazy husband that he made me look so crazy, and even he signed my face. Why did you sign my face?
Gotta sign the artwork. Can't let nobody steal it.
I hope you guys are staying home safe and healthy. I look like I come from some crazy planet. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for coming and doing my makeup.
Yeah, I got all the time right now.
I love
Stuck
you
in the
guys.
house.
Yes. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.